Okay. Okay, I'm just waiting for like few seconds so that everyone can join. Mira SGM. Mira, just wait for some time. Let me finish today's video and then I take the request. And I really appreciate how you guys wait for me. But the thing is, I always say that let me finish first because it would be much more easy for you to clear your doubts and show what you have done once the I finish the demo because about uh, if I start taking video request in the starting, we may not be finished the session on time and we have only 1 hour to finish everything. So I request everyone, whoever send me a video request, just wait in the last like for half an hour more and then I take the video request. Okay. Oops. Okay. If you are wondering what is today, so today is about all natural food colors. So we are going to make food colors and I'm going to make three different colors with three different ingredients. But you can actually make different color with more ingredient if you have. So I'll share the full list. You guys need to keep be ready with a pen and paper today because you need to take notes sometime like कौन सा ingredient से कौन सा color आएगा. So just make sure you have a pen and paper. Hi Oma, hi Ruby, hi Rima. Just make sure you have a pen and a paper so that when I start talking about which color you can make with what vegetable or with what fruit, we can actually you can actually take notes and make your colors later on so that when next week I announce the painting classes, you have your colors ready. Nivisha, thank you for asking. I am much better now because we are talking a lot, me and Manveen, so that's why our voice box is not having much rest on a daily basis. So we are fine. Thank you. Okay. Hi Himishka, hi Devi, hi Jyoti, hi Dolly, hi Spooty. So I'm just waiting for like a couple of seconds more and then we will start. And while waiting, as I promised yesterday, because we have a lot of people from very different cities that we used to travel for different cities for offline workshop, but as right now we are not able to travel or we are not able to do any offline workshops and we are doing these free classes online daily basis. So what we actually planned is I have made a WhatsApp group as well as a Telegram group. In both the groups I'll post daily the updates, what kind of or what workshop we are planning and what material you need. And if you have any question, you can actually post it in that group or you can send us a message on any of the Instagram or the Facebook page. Hi everyone. Okay, so let me just start quickly. So I'll start with the basic thing which I already showed you and you understood what I meant by that time. So it was around coffee painting. Pass me your WhatsApp number. Guys, I'm not passing my WhatsApp number, personal WhatsApp number because I'm not in country and we are in different time zone. So I may not be able to connect you on the uh, like Indian time. So that's why I'm making a WhatsApp group as well as a Telegram group because in WhatsApp we have a limit for 200 something uh, people, all the participant per group. That's why I am also making a Telegram group and you can join either of them and I'll post daily basis what we are planning for the next day and what material you need and what will be the reference images. And if you want you can like send us messages there as well. or you can send us messages here. So I actually just give me 1 second so that I can send you the messages. Just 1 second, and then I'll start with today's work. Where is the crop? Not here. Just a minute so that I know where I can, when I can post it. Okay. Just give me a second so that I can post both the link in the same chat, and you can take the, then just click on that. Copy. Just a second. Because for the broadcast we mostly have people from different metro cities, but I am noticing a lot of people are from different small cities as well. So that's why I am posting the link so that you will get daily updates there, because a lot of you mentioned earlier that you are not able to get any updates. Just a second. Okay. Okay, so I just pinned the message on Insta. Pin comment. So you can take the what the WhatsApp group and the Telegram group link from there, and then you can join any of the group. Anything is fine, because I'm going to post the same update on the both group. It's not like ये WhatsApp पे कुछ और जा रहा है, Telegram पे कुछ और जा रहा है. It will be the same messages and same updates. And these will be for the free workshops, free live video workshop which we are doing on daily basis till the 3rd of May as of now. But we may extend these workshop, because we know that you guys enjoyed it a lot and a lot of people are benefited with these videos. So okay, I just quickly start. You guys must have remembered this coffee. Unable to click the link. You need to copy it, because there are two links in the same chat. You need to copy it and then join the group. Thank you, Gurvinder. Thank you so much. I am much better now. Okay, let me just start and take the questions and comments later on once I finish the theory part. Just be ready with a pen and paper so that you can write it down. Okay, with the coffee, you need any instant coffee. What you can do is you can mix instant coffee with a little of water and let it sit for like an hour. कम से कम 1 घंटा उसको रहने दो पानी के अंदर, so that it will dissolve completely. And once it dissolve, you can change the water content. uh, you can change the water content according to the कितना उसमें color चाहिए. For example, give me a second, I'll change the camera angle so that you can see what I meant. Just a second. And soon, next week, I am bringing more artists for more different art and craft workshops so that you can learn it. Don't worry, I'll copy these chat link in the story so that you can use it later on. Just wait for an hour, let me finish the video, and then I'll post it in the stories as well as in the Facebook post. So just give me some time. I really appreciate your patience. Just give me some time so that I can post it late, right after the video, because I can't do both the thing at the same time. Just a minute. Okay. And you can join any of the link इट्स नॉट लाइक ये उस पर कुछ और जाएगा, इस पर कुछ और आएगा. सेम अपडेट वी विल गोइंग टू पोस्ट इट देयर. Okay, I hope it's fine. So let me start with the coffee first. What I meant is, take a little of coffee, and जितना कॉफ़ी होगा, जितना कॉफ़ी होगा जितना कॉफ़ी होगा उतना ही पानी यूज़ करना है. And just start posting your comments and any doubts. I'll see it once I finish the video. So you just need to put a little of water. एंड बहुत वाटरी नहीं करना है, क्योंकि क्या हो रहा है कि पानी बाहर नहीं निकाल सकते, हम पानी एक्स्ट्रा मिक्स कर सकते हैं उसमें. सो डोंट पुट अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर, just put a little bit so that it can dissolve completely. And I'll show you how it will look. And एक चीज़ और, you need to be very careful कि यार जो भी नेचुरल कलर होते हैं ना, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट आर्टिफिशियल, देयर इज नो केमिकल इन इट, दे मे बी वेरी डल, not very dull, but they may be dull. They may not be very bright as bright like जो हम नेचुरल ये जो एक्रिलिक कलर या ऑयल पेंट हम यूज करते हैं उतना ज़्यादा उसमें ब्राइटनेस नहीं हो रहा, बट still for the artificial color. Okay, so this is coffee color. For brown अगर कलर चाहिए है, you need coffee, instant coffee, or you can use cocoa powder, chocolate powder. बट मेक श्योर जो भी पाउडर यूज कर रहे हैं दैट शुड बी वाटर डिजॉल्वेबल इन, पानी में घुलना चाहिए. ऐसा ना हो कि फिल्टर कॉफी यूज कर लिया पानी में नहीं मिक्स हो रही है, देन यू विल से कि यार रेखा बताया नहीं आपने. सो मेक श्योर वॉट एवर पाउडर यू आर यूजिंग, either it's a instant coffee or it should be water dissolvable. Next, the easiest thing which you can find in your kitchen is not the cup but the haldi powder, the turmeric. So same thing but in different ratio. Write down for the turmeric, for the yellow part you need जितना हल्दी होगा उसका डबल पानी. अगर 1 चम्मच हल्दी है तो 2 चम्मच पानी चाहिए. एंड before going for a haldi or turmeric, just make sure you use the crop or which you don't mind to be like waste. क्योंकि क्या हो रहा है ना, हल्दी जहाँ पे भी जाता है it leave a stain, and it may not grow very easily. And because it's like हल्दी, so you need जितना हल्दी है उतना उसका डबल पानी. एंड इफ यू फील लाइक यार पेस्ट बन गया ये तो, सो यू कैन पुट अ लिटिल मोर वाटर. एंड वॉट एवर नेचुरल कलर यू आर मेकिंग विद फूड सप्लाई, मेक श्योर यू लेट इट सिट फॉर सम आवर्स, 1 घंटा 2 घंटा, सो दैट इट कैन डिजॉल्व कम्प्लीटली. एंड जो भी उसके अंदर इम्प्योरिटी है दे विल सिट डाउन एट द बॉटम, सो दैट यू कैन स्ट्रेन इट. छन्नी से छान सकते हैं उसको या फिर कोई भी पतले दुपट्टे से, कॉटन की या कपड़े से. सो दिस विल बी योर येलो कलर. नाउ व्हाट अबाउट द ऑरेंज? सो बिकॉज एज आई सेड कि टाइम चाहिए होता है उसको डिजॉल्व होने के लिए, उसको कंफर्टेबल होने के लिए पानी के अंदर, इसलिए उसमें टाइम लगेगा. तो इसलिए मैंने क्या किया था, ये केसर है, इट्स अ सैफरन स्ट्रैंड. सैफरन को पानी में डाल के रखो काफ़ी देर तक. आई थिंक इट विल टेक अराउंड 4-5 आवर्स. to completely release the color, and this color will be kind of a light orangish yellow. Orangish yellow will be the color for the saffron, and I'll show you how it will be different in the turmeric powder. I'm just showing you different variety of color you can make with the food supply you have in the kitchen. Next, for the red, this is beetroot. Remember, I shared a supply list, like the material list. If you go on our post or Insta stories, you will see the material list. उसमें था beetroot. Beetroot से फायदा क्या है? Beetroot से you will get a red color. For example, अगर मैं इसको इतना ही काट दूँ and then I just rub my finger, you will see a color. What you need to do is, there are two ways for the beetroot to have. You can simply grate it. Sorry, it's the no, it's this way. You can simply grate it, and ये जो स्ट्रेंड्स निकल रहे हैं ना, इसको पानी में डाल के और छान देना है. You can strain it, so it will give you a red color. But if you want to use completely, कि यार बिल्कुल भी 8% भी कलर छोड़ना नहीं है, इसमें वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, what you can do is, instead make sure you make a cube of these beet. Cut it in small pieces and इसको बॉईल करना है अप्रॉक्सीमेटली हाफ आवर टू 45 मिनट्स के लिए. लेट मी जस्ट रिमूव इट. हाफ आवर टू 45 मिनट्स के लिए इसको बॉईल करना है. एंड बॉईल होने के बाद क्या करना है, उसको सेम पानी में निकाल के स्ट्रेन करना है. एंड जितना से ज़्यादा जैसे हम मैश पोटैटोज बनाते हैं ना आलू के पराठे के लिए, उतना ज़्यादा मैश करके जितना पानी जितना कलर्स उसमें से निकाल सकते हैं निकालना है. देन अगेन लेट इट सिट आउटसाइड इन द सन, क्योंकि जब पानी बाहर रखा होता है तो उड़ जाता है ना, कम होना शुरू हो जाता है, तो इट विल गिव यू अ कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड रेड कलर. सो बीट रूट के साथ ऐसे होता है. नाउ लेट मी शो यू ऑन द 4 डिफरेंट कलर्स कि वो पेपर पे कैसे दिखते हैं. देन आई शेयर मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन अबाउट डिफरेंट, लाइक पिंक कैसे बनेगा, ग्रीन कैसे बनेगा, या येलो के लिए और क्या चाहिए. और then I'll take the question, and because it will take a lot of time to make colors, that's why I am not waiting for you to complete it, because you finish making one color. So I request you, write down everything, or if you are not able to write down, watch the video later on, make the colors, because we are going to use the same color later on the next week for the painting. So these are the 3 colors. Which we made. एंड जिसने डॉट प्रिंटिंग का क्लास किया होगा मेरे साथ या हॉबी ना बॉक्स के साथ में, या जिसने भी नेचुरल कलर पिगमेंट्स देखे होंगे, उनको पता होगा कि ये बहुत ज़्यादा वाइब्रेंट कलर नहीं देते हैं, बहुत शाइनी नहीं हो रहा, बट दे विल गिव यू अ नाइस कलर एंड दे विल बी वेरी सेफ टू यूज, एंड यू कैन यूज द सेम काइंड ऑफ कलर इन होली. So let me show you. So this is your beet, this is your saffron, and you will see कि यार कितना light color है, because it, see the drop, कितना light color है, because it's there in the water only for like 45 minutes. It need around 3 to 4 hours to release the complete color. So if you want, you can use like more number of strand of saffron, या इसके और भी ज़्यादा स्ट्रैंड यूज कर सकते हैं. बट इफ़ यू वांट कि यार कम में ही हो जाए, तो जस्ट लीव इट फॉर सम टाइम एंड इट विल रिलीज द कंप्लीट कलर इन फ्यू आवर्स. And about the haldi, just see the difference. And because I already mentioned, it will completely dissolve. That's why you are seeing a little of powdery thing, here. So let it sit for some time and then it will be fine. And this is your coffee, which we already saw in coffee painting. Now what about beetroot? I can directly use it and make dyes. So this is your, so as you can see, these are very nice color, but they are not very bright. What you can do is you can use the same color technique to make holiday color or color for painting or color for dyeing your clothes. Like अगर कोई white shirt है या white दुपट्टा है, you can dye the same, use the same paint for the dyeing. मतलब dyeing मतलब not dyeing, but dye करने के लिए you can use the same color. Now I just change the camera angle so that I can share more color combination which you can use. So give me like 2 minutes and it would be much more easy for me to talk when I move the camera. Okay. And don't worry who are not able to click on the link. I am definitely going to post the same links on Insta stories, highlights, Insta highlights, and the Facebook post. So you just need to wait for like half an hour, and then by then I'll be free after the video, and then I'll post it. So just be a little patient, and you can share the same link with your family, friends, whoever is interested in doing workshop with us, and those will be the free workshop right now. And on the material list, every update we will share there. So like we are sharing already on the broadcast and post, but not many people are able to see. So okay, so I start taking one by one color and then you can write it down, and then I take the questions as well. Don't worry if you have any specific color. I see, because we are using natural ingredient, vegetable and the fruits, so we will have a limited number of colors. As you can see my hand, different pigments, so we will actually have a number of limited color. ऐसा नहीं है कि एकदम से पर्पल के 10 शेड बन जाए. I'll come to that, Radhika. Just wait for like 5-10 minutes. Let me start with one color. So you can make different colors, but the number of choice for the color will be a little limited than the chemical color. But they will be very easy to make. They will be easy to available in your kitchen, and also they will be safe for the kids. बच्चों की स्किन के लिए they will be very safe. So what can be made from? Definitely. So just write it down. So for pink color you need hibiscus, raspberry और strawberry. Hibiscus जो गुड़हल का फूल होता है हमारा, that, raspberry, I don't think in many cities of India we will find the raspberry, but hibiscus हर जगह मिलता है, almost हर जगह. Then for the beetroot you can use the beets, like ये जो शलजम है, that you can use. And you can use पर्पल कलर का जो स्वीट पोटैटो आता है, पर्पल कलर का स्वीट पोटैटो अगर देखा है तो. अदरवाइज एक रेड कलर का भी स्वीट पोटैटो होता है, दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज. फॉर ऑरेंज यू कैन यूज कैरेट, पेपरिका, एंड ऑरेंज का जो बाहर का छिलका होता है ना, दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन यूज. हाउ टू यूज इट आई कम लेटर ऑन. जस्ट राइट डाउन कि किससे कौन सा कलर बनता है. देन फॉर येलो, सैफरन एंड टर्मरिक. फॉर ब्लू यू नीड, वो देख रहा है पत्ता गोभी, जो पर्पल कलर का पत्ता गोभी होता है, यू कैन यूज दैट फॉर ब्लू कलर. और द ब्लूबेरी, जो ब्लूबेरीज आते हैं, यू कैन यूज दैट. और यू कैन यूज द रेड कैबेज, वो जो डिफरेंट कलर का पर्पल सा पत्ता वो भी आता है, दैट यू कैन यूज. एंड फॉर पर्पल कलर यू कैन अगेन यूज अ पर्पल स्वीट पोटैटो. फॉर ब्राउन कॉफी, टी, एनीथिंग इज फाइन. फॉर दैट, अच्छा, काले रंग का ना सबसे अच्छा चीज क्या है कि हम बचपन से बनाते चले आ रहे हैं. आई थिंक इन नॉर्थ इंडिया में तो मैंने देखा है कि हर कोई ना काजन बनाता है घर पे, वो जो दिया जला के एंड उसके ऊपर थाली रख के जो भी उसका दौ में से धुआं निकलता है वो सारा जमा करते हैं. दैट कार्बन वी accumulate on a reverse plate, and that you can use for making that color. Or if you have activated charcoal, that also you can use. For green color, हरे कलर के लिए इफ यू हैव नीम, नीम का जो पेड़ होता है, यूज नीम का पत्ता और यूज स्पिनिच. ठीक है, स्पिनिच क्या है, पालक का पत्ता. स्पिनिच और नीम, एनीथिंग इज फाइन. एंड हाउ यू कैन मेक कलर्स आउट ऑफ दीज, लाइक के ग्रीन कलर बनाना है तो स्पिनिच से कैसे बन जाएगा, या बीट रूट से बनाना है तो कलर कैसे बनेगा, या ऑरेंज पेन से कैसे बनेगा. सो वॉट यू कैन डू इज यू कट one vegetable or one fruit in small pieces. half inch के छोटे छोटे pieces बनाने हैं. cut it in small pieces and boil it for उसको छान देना है. strain it in a container and let it sit outside. एंड उससे क्या फ़ायदा हो रहा है, क्योंकि जब बॉईल कर रहे हैं वी नीड अ लॉट ऑफ वाटर टू बॉईल द वेजिटेबल. एंड जब बाहर रखें तो क्या हो रहा है, जो एक्स्ट्रा पानी है वो निकल जाएगा. And then you will have a concentrated color. So now you have number of this कि कितने colors बना सकते हैं. And I think spinach, नीम, beetroot, कॉफ़ी, हल्दी, सेफ्रन ऑलमोस्ट सारे जगह पे होगा. सबके पास एटलीस्ट 3-4 इंग्रेडिएंट तो आराम से होंगे. So make at least 3-4 colors. For next week you have around 4-5 days का time. Make as much color as you want. If you have acrylic color, I don't mind to use it for the painting, but if you don't have, you have 4 days ka time. Finish your color making and then we will move for the different painting classes. So now I'm just scroll through the questions so that if I missed any of the information I can share it again. Just give me a minute. And for red color you can use red rose. जो रेड रोज होता है उसको सुखा लो, ड्राई इट इन अ शेड. धूप में मत सुखाना नहीं तो वो खराब हो जाएगा. एंड देन ग्राइंड इट इन अ मिक्सर. एंड मिक्सर में ग्राइंड करने के बाद देन मिक्स इट इन वाटर. ओके, जस्ट अ मिनट. हाय उमा, हाय रूबी, हाय रीमा. निवेशा, आई एम फाइन, थैंक यू. प्राची, हाय. संगीता, हाय. सपना, हाय. मौसम, जिनिशा, स्निग्धा, अन्ना, रूपू, समीना, अनपा, रीमा. Rima, I'll share the Telegram group because you are not in my friend list. I may not be able to send you the link personally. What I do is I posted the link of both WhatsApp group as well as Telegram group on the Facebook and Insta stories, as well as I asked Ria to make a post to post it on both the social media so that you can join any of the group. Acha, yes, I am going to share it on the post. Just see in that half an hour you will get it. Thank you, Gurvinder. I am fine. Sanitha, hello, Arush. Sorry. Arush, share. Don't worry, I'll share it on Facebook and Insta both so that whoever is not in Facebook, they can take the link from Insta. Whoever is not on Insta, they can take the link from the Facebook. Blue color, I already shared Ruby how to make blue color. I have dry hibiscus. So with the dry hibiscus, you can make pink color. उसका जो पत्तियां हैं उसको पानी में डाल के रखो तो वो इन पाउडर फॉर्म में मिक्स करना है, नहीं तो बोलोगे कि रेखा यार तुमने बोला नहीं कि पत्ते को पीसना भी था. So just grind it and then put it in water. Thank you, Gurpreet. We actually really like your appreciation because it gave us a motivation to do more things. Onions for purple runner. Definitely you can use onion, but there are at least 4 variety of onion in India. So every variety of onion जो उसका बाहर का लेयर होता है, it gives a different tint of the color. So whatever onion you are using, just make sure you check first कि यार कौन सा वाला color आ रहा है, because one onion variety give purple color, one onion variety will give you a brownish color. So just make sure which onion you are using. When you post the video again in Facebook, yes, these live video will be on the Facebook as well as for Insta, because it will be on Insta story for 24 hours. I'm going to post the same video on the YouTube so that you can go and watch it. Just give me a second. Priyanka Agrawal, hi. Harpreet, hi. Rupan, how long can we store these colors? These colors you can store for a month. But if you are afraid कि यार खराब हो रहा है या कुछ हो रहा है, store it in a fridge and make in small quantity, because these are natural pigment and these are there's nothing like pesticide नहीं है, कोई भी chemical नहीं है जिससे कि कोई भी insect इनमें नहीं है. That's why make in small quantity and then use, because it's very easy to make. It will not take like much time for you. So just to make sure you make in a small quantity and put it in a airtight container so that कोई भी moisture की वजह से fungus नहीं आए. Are these color lasting? Definitely. People before chemical color, do you know कि पहले भी colors होते थे इंडिया में. इंडिया के कपड़े बहुत कलरफुल होते हैं. You will not see any of these colorful clothes outside India, and those colors were made out of these natural ingredients. So you can understand कि कितना अच्छा non lasting effect होगा. Can we use leaves? Definitely we can use leaves, but we can use leaves for neem and spinach for green color. So for red you need beetroot. Okay, I'll just switch to the Insta and finish the question because I got a lot of video requests, so I don't want anyone to be disappointed. That's why. What should we use? As I mentioned, for red color, please use beetroot. As I showed you, either grate it and then put it in water and strain it, or you can like boil it in small chunks and then strain it, then you can use it. You can use it on like any paper, on any cloth. Don't use it on leather, it will not work out. Hi, your dream color 18, nice name. Dipshitra, hi. Meera, Radhika, this is Nisha, okay. This is Jaya, Shruti. I'm just scrolling through for the questions and let's see. Hello, Hinishka. It's a nice name and different one. Hi, Beena. Hi. Hi, Shri Devi. Whoever wants to join the WhatsApp or Telegram group, I'll just share the link after the video. Just give me an half an hour so that I can instruct Ria what link she needs to post. Mm. Unable to click the link. Don't worry, I am going to post it on post. Just a second, because I can see a lot of waving. Hi everyone. Just give me couple of seconds because there are a lot of. What about henna? So henna के ना दो कलर आते हैं. Either it will be orange or it will be brown, depending on how you are making color. So if you put your henna, and henna, by henna I mean the uh, fresh leaf, not वो जो पाउडर वाला आता है जो बालों में लगाते हैं, जो हाथों में लगाते हैं, नॉट दैट पाउडर. आई मीन फ्रेश लीफ, जो पेड़ से डायरेक्टली आता है, दैट आई मीन बाय द हिना. सो यू कैन मेक ऑरेंज कलर. You can just boil it in water and it will give you a orange color, or you can mix it with amla powder. Like 8 part हिना है तो 4 पार्ट, लाइक जितना भी हिना है उससे 4 गुना ज़्यादातर आमला पाउडर मिला के, एंड देन इफ़ यू बॉईल इट, इट विल गिव यू अ ब्राउनिश कलर. ब्राउन कलर जो जैसे कॉफ़ी का कलर आता है, इट विल गिव यू अ ब्राउनिश कलर. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू मेक कलर विद हिना, मेक श्योर you what color you want. You want orange color or if you want brown color. So I hope Radhika you understood what color you wanted to make and how to make it. With that definitely remember जब होली होती है तो एक, I don't know what you call it. In my house we will call it like फ्लावर ऑफ फायर, बिकॉज वो ऐसे राउंड सा ऑरेंज कलर का फ्लावर होता है एंड वो सिर्फ फेब्रुवरी में ही आता है. सो यू कैन मेक डिफरेंट कलर्स विद डिफरेंट फ्लावर्स. जस्ट मेक श्योर यू टेस्ट योर कलर फर्स्ट. टेस्ट करने का क्या तरीका है, छोटा सा क्वांटिटी लो, उससे कलर बनाओ, देन सी कि सेम कलर चाहिए या दूसरा कलर यूज करना है. नेक्स्ट, हाय इंद्रमोहन, डोंट वरी if you are late. I am definitely going to post the same video on Insta stories when we'll stay for 24 hours, and I'm going to post the same video on YouTube so that you can watch it later on, anytime, any place, anyhow. Okay, don't worry Mamta, if you are late you can watch the video later on Insta story or Facebook videos, or after tonight, because it will take some time for Ria to upload it. It will take around overnight, and by tomorrow you are on YouTube as well. And if you are wondering what is YouTube channel we have, our YouTube channel is with the same name. It's Hobby in a Box. Today I joined late. Don't worry, I'm not going to punish anyone to come late. Amla powder, I'm not very sure with the amla powder because I don't have, and I don't, if I don't have, I can't try it out. So whatever I have, I tried out with that. और जो मैंने पहले ट्राई किए हुए हैं, फॉर एग्जाम्पल स्पिनच एंड ऑल, वो आई कैन शेयर माई एक्सपीरियंस, बट आई एम नॉट श्योर अबाउट द आमला पाउडर. यू कैन एक्चुअली गो एंड सर्च इट, और गिव मी सम टाइम, आई कैन सर्च इट फॉर यू. हाउ टू यूज अनियन पील्स टू मेक नेचुरल फ्लावर. जो भी अनियन पील्स निकल रहे हैं ना किचन में, वॉट यू कैन डू इज you can take the outer layer of the onion and put it in a container. जब लगे कि हाँ सेम मतलब थोड़ा क्वांटिटी हो गया है, बॉइल इट इन अ वाटर, एंड बट बॉइल द सेम अनियन पील वेराइटी इन वन गो. ऐसा नहीं कि 2-3 अनियन वेराइटी मिला दिया एंड डिफरेंट ही कलर आ गया एंड देन वो लोग कि देखा यार बताया नहीं था. सो मेक श्योर you put all the onion peels in container. After some time, just boil it, and boil it for half an hour to 45 minutes. So it will give you a natural color for like purple or green or brownish. Can you please repeat with the rose? Okay, rose is very easy actually. With the rose, what you can do is you need to dry it in a shade. जब भी जहाँ पे भी छाया हो रहा वहाँ पे सुखा लो. देन टेक इट आउट द रेड लीव्स, जो भी लीव्स उसके कलरफुल लीव्स हैं, टेक इट आउट एंड देन ग्राइंड इट, पाउडर बना के. देन it will be a natural pigment for you, and then you can use it for painting. Kiran, I'm not very sure if you can use pudina for green, but you definitely use coriander for green. But coriander के साथ प्रॉब्लम क्या है, वो इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा कलर नहीं देता है. Can we use marigold flower for making colors? Definitely. Ankita, marigold flower will give you a yellow color. If you make color out of वो जो गेंदे का फूल होता है. Can we use cone for that? Use activated charcoal for that color because जो directly cone हमें हमारे घर में use होता है जो generally सर्दियों में हम जलाते हैं, that will not be वाटर. अगर तुम उसके ऊपर पानी डालोगे ना तो पानी में डिजॉल्व नहीं होता है. योर ड्रीम किलर 18 मेक एक्टिवेटेड चारकोल. यूज एक्टिवेटेड चारकोल फॉर ब्लैक कलर. Printing is done with the yes, a lot of block printing like our supplier who is from Gujarat, they may or from the Kolkata, they both actually use the natural color, but with the natural color you need a binder. So if you are using natural color for printing on cloth or on cloth you are using for like tie and dye and shivori or other thing, you need a binder. Otherwise what will happen, after some time it will start releasing color, ज़्यादा दिन रहता नहीं है. For example, अगर किसी के पास जयपुर से दुपट्टा या सूट होगा, when you first wash it, देखा है उसमें से कितना कलर निकलता है. So those are actually natural color. That's why they are not sticking with the cloth का जो fiber है. To make it stick on your cloth, you need a binder. Mamta Babu, thank you so much. I am better now. Order the mordant for beetroot. I am not sure if I understood your question. Can we use enum? I'm not very sure about enum powder as well. But I actually have a trick for you. Just let me see if I can share it. Yes. अच्छा, अगर किसी के पास चूना है, डाइम स्टोन है या जो पान में हम डालते हैं, that you have, if you mix it out, if you mix it with the हल्दी, it will actually give you a red color. And you can actually make a magic trick कि हल्दी के अंदर एक नॉर्मल सा पानी डालो एंड दैट विल एक्चुअली कन्वर्ट इनटू अ रेड कलर. सो see, if you are not careful what will happen. So if you want a red color but you don't have beetroot, what you can do is you can mix a little tuna or limestone water in your turmeric and it will give you a red color. Use sweet potato to make a purple or red color. Sweet potato का different variety होता है which you need to make purple or red color, which are not very easily available in northern India. I actually have seen oranges color sweet potato in southern India, so or in Mumbai actually. So you need a different variety of sweet potato. Can we use sandalwood powder to yeah, sandalwood powder I actually saw yellowish and brownish color. So it depends what kind of sandalwood powder you have, you can use it for that color. Can we use tomato? Definitely we use tomato. You can boil it in water, the outer layer, and it will give you a red color. Can we use natural color of coffee and onion? Acha, see, I am not a very, if you are watching me since like, आज कितना तारीख, आज 17th है, you are watching me since 17 days. So I'm not very sure if you notice I am not a very active person for makeup or cosmetic, so I don't know powder. But what my mother used to do is जब उनके बाल सफ़ेद होना शुरू हुए थे तो मेहंदी में कॉफ़ी पाउडर या जो बचा हुआ टी होता था ना, दैट टी, वो मिक्स करके लगा देते हैं. उससे कलर और भी ज़्यादा डार्क ब्राउन आता था जो कि उनके बालों में छुप जाता था. So I am not very sure if you can use the same colors for here. That you like, I never use for like cosmetic these colors, so I'm not very sure. You can ask me anything about art, craft and DIY, but if you ask me anything about cosmetic, I'll be like a small kid कि यार ये क्या होता है. So I'm not very sure. Since have ammonia energy, and I also have a lot of energy. I have an energy with the Fevicol. It's a very weird energy. Whenever I use Fevicol, if you remember, we made this mandala uh, for paper quinine, and I was using Fevicol. So again, I got this energy, and I have energy with the Fevicol, so I don't mind it. But you have to be very careful. If you have an ammonia energy, you try to use natural colors. But for cosmetic, I can't advise you anything. Many a time it turns brown after drying. Rai rose. See, it depends how you are using. Like for example, when we use the rose petal in soap, because of the heat, it turned into brown color. So maybe it is because of the temperature where you are keeping your rose petals or rose water. It depends on that also, because uh, temperature affect the roses a lot. What is activated charcoal? Activated charcoal is a charcoal which you can actually use for cosmetic or for your food items. You can find it in any of the grocery store or in the medical store. Please send this video again. Sorry, I can't send the video, but I will upload it on Insta stories and Facebook, and as well as on the YouTube, so you can watch it later. Can we get indigo leaves in dried form? That I don't know actually. That you need to search in local area, because if I give you information about any supply, I may give you supplier list from the Germany right now, or because not many supply which we have in India, like for because of corona, they are not working, and they may not last for long, and I'm really very afraid for them. And that's why we are coming up more one-on-one workshops, so that we can actually support our suppliers and our team. And I'll talk about it later on, like more on it. I think I have few question in Facebook as well. You can mix the cornstarch with any of these paints, these colors, and then once it dry, you can like put it in a mixer jar and then grind it. So powder form में आ जाएगा. Okay, I think I answered all the questions. If you have any queries like about the binder, if I start talking about the binder, it will take another half an hour. And because today's session is about only about the natural colors, how to make it. Because I know a lot of kids are watching and a lot of parents are watching, so that they can do at least some activity with their kids. In binder you will not be able to find the supply for binder, you will not be able to find it right now, so I just wanted to avoid it too. But later on I definitely talk about binder once I schedule a workshop for Ivory and block printing. Definitely I talk about binder then more, because that is a totally different topic. Yeah, like I'm more talking about today about how to make natural colors, and not about like different stuff like the cosmetic or other thing. But if you have any questions for us, what you can do is you can send us messages on Insta and Facebook, and I'll see if how I can help you with your queries, or if you start with one of the project, how I can help you out. So I think that is for today. I'll just see if I have few requests. So I have a request from Tara Studios. Tara, if you are online, she is unable to join. Let's see if okay. Anybody wants to join live video now can send me the request. Please, I request a lot of time. Don't send me request in the starting of the video, because then we may not be able to finish the whole session. Because how I done is that I'll finish in like 45 minutes so that I can take more questions. Can we use on Canvas? Definitely you can use it on Canvas, because Canvas is made of a layer of cloth, different cloth on a wooden surface, but they may not be very vibrant. But if you want, you can definitely use it. I think I got another request for the video. Let's see. Join on Insta. So I am just taking your leave for today. Make sure by next of week, make sure you include your name so that we can put it on our Insta stories. So I that is for on today. In half an hour or so, we will post the your convenience. So I'll take your leave. Bye bye.